Hi there. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use your Mac for basic screen and audio recordings. If you're running an up-to-date version of Mac OS, you'll be able to use your Quicktime Player for this task. While QuickTime's end product may be large in terms of file size, it's one of the simplest methods of screen recording. To begin, launch QuickTime Player, which can be found in the Applications folder if it's not visible on your desktop. When it runs, select File and then New Screen Recording. To decide whether mouse clicks are shown and sounds are recorded, select the small white arrow next to the record button and select your recording input device, for instance microphone, and optionally select the Show Mouse Clicks in Recording feature. So we already have selected our internal microphone and we have checked the Show Mouse Clicks in Recording option. When ready, select the red Record button. A pop-up message will appear. You'll need to select what you want to record. To record the entire screen, simply click once anywhere on screen, or to record only a portion of the screen, click and drag a box to define the recording area and then select Start Recording. I'm going to record the entire screen, so I'll just click anywhere on screen. For the sake of this demo, I'm just going to interact with some files and windows. When finished, navigate to the menu bar at the top of the screen and select the Stop Recording button, shown here. To save your recording, select File, then Save, and choose an appropriate name and save location. That's it. Hope you find this useful.